Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit from vrtrader.com, and this is a Leibovit volume reversal tutorial here on Metastock, looking at the cement stocks, what will help make America great again as the wall is built across the Mexican-U.S. border. We'll look at that in just a moment. Metastock offers my volume reversal toolkit. There are three versions incorporated, the directional, sequential, and 2-day. Check the video at the website for more details. We use a sequential on these videos, which post all positive and negative volume reversals. Looking at the charts, a big move here in the last several months. These stocks, except for CEMEX, into new bull market highs. Martin Marietta, you're looking at here. I'm highlighting it here. Good correlation. These are weekly charts, by the way. Good correlation with the Leibovit negative volume reversal. I tend to use the 533 stochastic, as I've told you in previous videos, as confirmation, but generally the volume reversals come in. You get follow through to the downside, telling you that the insiders are selling or buying. We had a key reversal here in Martin Marietta in February, and it did take off dramatically. We did have another volume reversal a few weeks ago, reconfirming the uptrend. Vulcan Materials also generated positive volume on the way up. More evident in the daily charts, but I'm presenting these to give you a sense of how these stocks have performed here in recent weeks. CEMEX, which is more speculative, that's CX here. This is the Mexican cement stock. Beautiful positive volume reversal off its bottom. Nice rally here. Now all these stocks are overbought, but if that wall gets built, these stocks could go dramatically higher. The size of the construction project we're talking about is just tremendous, probably the biggest in U.S. history. So these stocks are telling you and told me for several weeks that you're going to see Trump as the nominee because financials seem to know something, and anticipating the future is what Wall Street is all about. It's really a crystal ball on a certain level, but these are telling me that that wall was going to be built, and there's going to be other companies that are going to benefit as well. But good correlation here. You don't hear anybody that I've heard on the national press talking about cement stocks or about the correlation to the wall here. I've been one of the first out there, but of course I'm not listening to all the media all the day either. But we've been on top of this, made a lot of money for our clients in trading these names, and certainly if there's a pullback here, and if it does come, for example, if you're looking at Vulcan Materials here, it's well above its 50-week moving average, and Martin Marietta well above its 50-week. I'm not predicting it'll pull back there. They could continue to run, but we are trading them from the long side, and the fact they broke out to these two, in fact, into new all-time highs, I think is really a statement. With CEMEX, more of a speculation, but you think they would benefit, assuming that wall is built. They'd probably be buying cement from Mexico as well. So just an interesting insight, and it's been a profitable play for us here at vrtrader.com. In particular, we were posting those trades at our VR Platinum service and our Vice Letter service and our Gold Letter service, and taking advantage of that. So if you haven't taken a look at vrtrader.com, I encourage you to do so. We also have our Forecaster, which is our annual cyclical report, and my book, The Trader's Book of Volume, The Definitive Guide to Volume Trading, which covers my volume reversal indicator along with other major indicators. I will be attending the Money Show in Vegas this coming week. I have a booth and one or possibly two workshops, so stop by and say hello. It is at Caesar's Palace, and it will be beginning Monday evening. And also tune in to my radio show, Wall Street Raw, 10 a.m. Eastern on the Genesis Communication Network. That's gcnlive.com, or at 1510 a.m. radio in Phoenix, 10 a.m. on Sundays. It is archived at gcnlive.com and is also available on iTunes, so check with Wall Street Raw if you haven't done so. Appreciate you checking in, and the focus here is sign up for that Leibovit Volume Reversal Toolkit, something that is of great value. There is a 1-month free trial, and it is $99 going forward. Have a pleasant day and week.